my name is Shwetlana Sinha, a student of the batch 2023-25. I had completed my engineering from Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. For my summer internship, I got the chance to intern at RPSG Group as an investor relation and ESG research intern. My internship had two key aspects. The first one was researching ESG methods that were being implemented in other companies that are in the same industry as the RPSG Group. I studied their ESG reports, their financial reports, and identified methods that can be implemented in RPSG sectors as well. For the second part of my internship, I explored the music and entertainment industry. I used web scraping tools that were taught in the classroom and applied it in my internship. Here, I use tools like Python and libraries like Beautiful Soup to extract YouTube statistics data of Saregama and its competitor channels. With that data, I had built a dashboard on Excel and presented with insights and trends that were captured. Saregama had also recently acquired Pocket Aces, so I had done a market research to understand what the current generation and youth were wanting from such channels. I had also done a similar analysis of Pocket Aces and its competitors to understand the trend that was going on in that industry and present it with actionable insights. This internship was a fantastic blend of classroom knowledge and real-world application. I owned my analytical and research skills, which I will be able to put forward in the real business world scenarios.